What up, what up? Woo! Cold out here, G. Thanks for tuning in. It's man 9 Million. I'm back with another vlog. Just finishing on the pre-trip. Gotta turn the lights on. Yeah, another day. Just getting back out on the road. Was at home for baby boy birthday. It's all now. I'm back to these dollars. Got a load picking up here at FedEx in Memphis. Heading to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Already checked everything except for the lights. Yeah, that's what it is. Thanks for tuning in, fam. Really do appreciate y'all. You been doing anything with your time, choosing to have a few minutes with me, watching the vlog, an episode of the realest vlog on YouTube. Hey, it's about 7 hours to where I need to go, I believe. Stop for a fuel stop, get back on the road, dropping this load tonight. So it's gonna be a short trip, kind of. So most likely I'll have this load along with the next load on one vlog, most likely, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Had to finish up the pre-trip and festivities, paperwork festivities. I'll check back in with y'all a little bit later. It's down there 3:30. Had an appointment time for 2:30. I checked in at 1:30. So I'm 2 hours in the game already, unfortunately. But hey, it is what it is, man. Let me go ahead and do what I gotta do. I'll holler. Hit that like button, please. Introducing the StopBox Pro gun safe, the ultimate solution for safety. With cutting-edge technology, this safe keeps your firearms secure yet accessible. Built to last with an advanced locking mechanism, trust that your loved ones are protected. Use link in the description for 10% off, and buy one StopBox Pro, get one free. Double the safety for your peace of mind. Visit our website today. Link is in the description. We made it here just past 10:30 in the PM. They get your boy unloaded right now. Shouldn't take long. It was only like 18,000 pounds, and the truck was full with those big ass gray containers. I'm gonna have to show y'all what those look like sometime in the future. All the packages or whatever I'm shipping is packed away in these big ass silver contraptions. So you got everything on there, and they just take those off in lump sums. So, like I said, I'll show y'all that in the future. I'm gonna get my paperwork done and head on to the next move. We'll see what that is though. Let me do what I gotta do. I just want to check in. Peace. Man, I got woken up this morning. The driver manager called me. Well, what happened was last night after I dropped that load, I got unloaded and I was reading the notes on my next load, which was saying to bring a clean, empty trailer, make sure there's no blood in it, blah, blah, blah. But okay. There shouldn't be any blood in the roller bed trailer. Let me ask. So I shot a message over there and asked if I needed to, will my roller bed suffice? The message got read and nobody got back to me, so I kept it pushing. Used the little time that I had left on my clock to make it closer to my destination for the pickup this morning. I'm about 30 minutes away from the pickup. I got too tired, so I pulled over and slept. And I got a phone call this morning saying I need to have a different trailer. They won't load the rollerbed trailers. I'm like, well, nobody informed me. I didn't know. Oh, and also that when I do these rollerbed drop-offs at FedEx, I should just leave those rollerbeds there and grab a regular dry van when I leave. I'm like, nobody informed me. Like, I'm just figuring this stuff out as I go. Like, the whole process, ever since I started with the FedEx shit, is like, basically, I'm just figuring it out. So here's a few tips for people that's going to be coming on to this FedEx account here in Memphis. Let's work from the beginning in Memphis. All right, don't go to the pickup address. I guess you can't go because I don't know the address to where you need to go. So I guess just allot yourself enough time to make it there, get checked in, and have them direct you to where you need to go for your paperwork. So when you pick up in Memphis, you don't go to the main yard where the trailers are. You have to go across the street, down the way and across the street to another office to pick up the paperwork. Once you have the paperwork, then you can go back to where the trailers are and get checked in and get your trailer to leave. All right, so if your appointment time is for, let's say, 2 p.m., they want you checked in by 1 p.m. So if this is your first time dealing with this whole process that I'm talking about, at least get there by 12:30. You know what I mean? Just give yourself enough time to find the spot. It's not far. It's maybe 2 miles down the road. You know what I mean? So get there 12:30. Get your paperwork at Building A. Drive back to the yard. Get checked in over there. Do what you need to do. All right, so that's at the pickup. Tip number 2. When you leave with the FedEx roller bed trailer from the company that we run it for, after you get unloaded, they do not want you to take those roller beds out of that facility. They want you to drop them there. If you're getting a load back, you're just gonna drop it there and, go wait your time until your next load is ready, head on out like normal. But if you run into a situation that I ran into last night where I dropped off at FedEx, but they wanted me to drive somewhere else for a whole nother load, they don't want you to take the roller beds away. They want you to have a dry van. Got it? Capiche? I'm trying to think of any more tips that I haven't picked up on. Like I said, nobody told me neither one of these tips that I'm giving y'all right now. So this is just something that I'm throwing out in the world for people that may be coming on, that may be new and, didn't get communicated with. So yeah, long story short is I'm about 30 minutes away from where I thought I was going to be picking up this load this morning, but I had the wrong trailer. So they're sending me back to the FedEx in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm going to drop this rollerbed trailer, pick up another dry van trailer or reefer, whatever's available, and then I'm going to head to go do my next load. I was told that they'll just load me when I get there. Right now, I got about another hour, 20 minutes or so away from my clock to reset. Then I can get rolling. So yeah, it messed up my sleep. It is ugly out here. So yeah, I just want to fill y'all in on that, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? Stay tuned. The vlog is still going. We just gonna keep this rolling until I drop this next load off in Jonesboro, Arkansas is where I dropped this next load. So we're just gonna rock it out to then. Thanks for being cool. How y'all be cool, man? Hit that like button, drop me a comment. Yeah, it's my fault. I was told that they sent this message out to drop the roller beds, but I didn't see the message and nobody physically told me, so I'll take that. I'll eat it. It's my fault. So yeah, if y'all watching this, good job, because now y'all in the know when I wasn't. I holla, peace. Made it back to where I started off last night. What I'm doing is doing a dropping hook. I'm dropping this roller bed and grabbing either flatbed or this reefer right here. I'm leaning more towards the reefer, but we'll see. I'll check them out. They said they don't want me to do no drop because they need at least 2. They need at least 2 dry beds on location. But I didn't see them when they come all the way down here, but those 2 right there on the end are dry vans, and there's some over here too. So be good to go. Dropping this bad boy right here. Get on to the next load. Supposedly they're just gonna load me when I get there. Yeah, that's what we on. That's what we on. Let me go ahead and do what I gotta do. I'll pull this back out. We check out the next trailer. I'll holla. Realest vlog on YouTube, man. On the real. Peace. Alright, I may have found one. Let's go see if it's a good candidate though. Did a walk around already, check the tires and brakes, the brake pads and shit. Everything looks intact. I was looking to take this Hirschbach one, but as you see, the blue airline is just hanging on that mug. So I'm hoping this just where I'm at is not a reject yard. That's what I'm hoping for. I won't know until I do a thorough investigation. Other hand shit. There we go. Alright, let's turn the light test on. Brought a little plastic bag because there's definitely some stuff in the back of the trailer I need to get up out of there if this is something we're gonna take. Turn that on. Turn that on. Turn that back on. Alright, let's go see. Window open. That's on. Like I said, I checked the tires and the brakes already. ABS light not on, that's good. See what these rear lights looking like though. Jump. Put the bag there for now. Finish with my walk around. I think we got a good candidate, fam. I'm gonna do my air down test. See what this front marker light looking like up here. look like that bad boy on, do it. See about this side. It's a little different when my lights on. Alright, fam. If there's any issues, I'll pull this back out, but I need to put my gloves on. My gloves are dirty and nasty, and I don't want it on my GoPro handle. So I'll fill y'all in once I know what the next move gonna be. Peace. Made it on over here to Pepsi. They sent me, that's a Pepsi truck, that's where I need to be. They sent me over here to this little drop yard though, because they got me lined up for a work-in. So apparently, they gotta fit me in some type of way. So I'll just be sitting here until they got it. Just want to see what I'm looking like as far as this well, make sure parking spot that I made. Oh yeah, we got plenty of space. Got plenty of space. Yeah. Trust me, come on right on around here and go in, come out this way, or go in this way and come on out this way. The truck we just saw was sticking out further than me, so I feel good. Oh yeah, I could actually come up even further if I wanted to, but I don't think I need to. Yeah, I started to park on over there, but then I saw all this goofy ass white stuff. I was like, nah, fuck it. Although I'm still on this shit, but I'm not as far back there. I think I got a better chance of getting out. All right now. See, still got some concrete right here. All right, fam. It is now 3:30. I've probably been here about 30 minutes, so let's call it 3 o'clock. See how long they take to fit me in. I'll holler, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? Hit that like button to come back. Boy, stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Peace. It's now 6 o'clock. Dark than a motherfucker. And snowy than a motherfucker. Shit, bro. Definitely not a fan, man. And this old ass trailer got a hard time sliding these damn tandems. It's been a pain in the ass. It took me forever to get the tandem slid to be able to get in the door. Now I gotta slide them again to get on up out of here. And this load heavy as hell. Just complaining. But yeah, it's a pain, bro. So I gotta fuck with this. Hopefully I can get it situated better than I was able to from jump. See what we looking like back here. Hopped up on Mountain Dew. Oh, there go the seal. Oh, I don't see no seal. They ain't give me one. Here you go. I'll put it on this side. That shit slippery, man. I don't know where. I'm definitely not driving all the way. It's just like 5-6 hours away. Maybe even 7 hours away. But yeah, I'm definitely not driving that tonight. I gotta find somewhere to park. Good luck with that too. Let's see, you see these things don't be moving. And this shit don't want to stay. It don't want to catch. Oh, god damn, man. And then these things ain't going in, so I gotta get my hammer. Fuck. 6:11 right now. Let's see how long it takes me to get these tandem sled. I need both of my hands, so I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Alright, man. Finally got on out here. Pushed it up out of the area that I couldn't find no parking in. I made it here to I don't know what you call it. It's a Love's, but it's not like a regular Love's. It's one of those in the middle of the E-way parking areas. So y'all see, man, it's coming down, bro. It's slick, thick, and unsafe. Ain't no salt trucks out or nothing. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna put a little bit of fuel in here, and that way I can run the truck at night if I get too cold or whatever. So I am low on fuel. That was my next stop after this pickup, but I ain't pushing it. I'm about to pull over and be done, G. So, either way, thanks for rocking. I'll pull this back out when I get back on the road, man. Oh, look, salt trucks. That's what we need, going the opposite direction. Shit. The salt trucks was out. I could push it more, because it ain't bad. But, whatever. I'm done. I'm done for now. I'll pull this back out when I get back on the road. I got enough hours to make it to my drop-off tonight, but like I said, I ain't gonna push it. I'm about to make a parking spot somewhere. Yeah, y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Hit that like button. That's the realest vlog on YouTube. I swear I tried to be done with this over-the-road shit before this winter time came. I swear I was trying, but it's rough. Being under 2 years in the game, you don't have as many options, so. Alright, I'll be back. Peace. Hey, whether you need to defend yourself with your hands, pistol, a sword, a rifle, or a pistol, USCCA. Anything happens, whether it's criminal or civil cases, that will cover your ass in case you need to use self-defense. No lacking. USCCA, link in the description. Don't say I ain't tell you so. USCCA ain't the only ones on the market, so shop around. We personally use USCCA. That link is in the description. They have insurance policy, online training, and certifications, right at the comfort of your own home.